Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unfollow multiple topics on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you're looking to declutter your feed and focus on what truly matters, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, open X from your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand side menu. This is where all the navigation options are located. Find and click on the More icon. This will expand additional menu options. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Once you're inside, navigate to Privacy and Safety. This section allows you to control how your account interacts with content and other users. Now, click on Content You See. Under this category, select Topics. This is where all the topics you follow are listed. To manage them, click on the Followed tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the topics you're currently following. To unfollow a topic, simply click the Unfollow button next to each topic you no longer wish to follow. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm to finalize the action. Repeat this process for any other topics you want to remove from your feed, and that's it. By following these steps, you can easily curate your feed and ensure it aligns with your interests. Managing your followed topics is a great way to improve your experience on X and stay focused on content that truly matters to you. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide helped simplify your social media experience, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful.